أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل إن كانت لكم الدار الآخرة عند الله خالصة من دون الناس من دون الناس فتمنوا الموت إن كنتم صادقين ولن يتمنوه أبدا بما قدمت أيديهم والله عليم بالظالمين ولتجدنهم أحرص الناس على حياة ومن الذين أشركوا يود أحدهم لو يؤمر ألف سنة وما هو بمزحزحه من العذاب أن يؤمر والله بصير بما يعملون. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited three ayat of Surah Al-Baqarah, ayat number 94, 95 and 96. These three ayat have the same topic, the strong belief of the Jews that the paradise is their own, or they say they own the paradise. It means the ownership, they got it from Allah. So is their belief that they feel that they believe that they will enter in Jannah. No other human being will go in that one except them, that have been fully reserved for them. This is their concrete belief. So Allah is telling them that if you believe that the Jannah is completely for you, reserved by Allah, then to enter into Jannah, you need to go through death. You need to die. Okay, just try to have a wish of death. If you want to enter into Jannah, so try to have a wish of death. Then is possibility you will go into, when you leave this world, so then you can see how much your strong belief is. Then in the other ayat Allah said they will never have a wish to die. So they will never desire, they will have no desire of death. So because whatever they have sent down, like their deeds, so they can't have the like capability to enter into the paradise. So this way we read first, then we discuss on this one. Allah said in this ayat, Kul, say the people. People mean here the Jews, the Bani Israel. So Allah said, say to them, in qanat, in, if, qanat, if is lakum, for you, dar mean the whom, akhira mean the hereafter. In the law with Allah, khalisatan, reserved exclusively for them. So Allah said, Kul, say to them, say to the Jews, In kanat lakum darul akhirata. If the home of akhirah, the home hereafter, is reserved for you with Allah, min dunin nas, excluding the human beings, excluding the other people. Kul in kanat lakumud darul akhiratu. Say to the Jews people, say to the Bani Israel, in kanat, if it is lakum for them, Allah say to them, if for you, darul akhirah, if the home hereafter is for you, in the law with Allah, khalisatan, reserved, min dunin nas, excluding all other human beings. It means Allah said, if your belief is this one, if your faith is very strong on this point, that the the whom whom hereafter whom hereafter mean the paradise, if that is reserved for them by Allah, so leaving all other people, it means like their belief was that they were thinking that the only the Jews will go into paradise, all other human beings will not go into paradise except the Jews, so that the paradise has been made just for the Jews, just for the Bani Israel. It is not for the other human beings. So we are the owner of the paradise. This was their belief. So Allah said, no problem. Okay, if you feel that is your desire, so you feel that you will enter into paradise. So no problem. Fatamanna wal mauta. Fatamanna. So then you wish for the death. Fatamanna, and you must have a desire, have a wish, mouth, desire for mouth, for the death, because you can't go into the paradise like alive here. So you have to die, because after death, then is there is chance to you can find there your place. So Allah said, if you in kuntum sadiqin, in kuntum sadiqin, if you are in, if kuntum, you are sadiqin, truthful. If you are truthful, then you must have a desire, a wish for the death. Because in order to enter into the paradise, in order to enter into the home hereafter, you need to be die, so you need to die, then is possibility to go there. But if you are truthful in your statement, no problem, you try to have a wish of death. Allah said in next ayat, walan yatamannawhu, walan, and never, yatamannaw, they wish for it, walan yatamannahu, they will never wish for it, abadan, anytime, forever, they will not have a wish for death. Bima qaddamat aydihim, bima, because, qaddamat, of what they sent forward. Qaddamat mean forward, forward mean towards the day of judgment. Whatever they have sent down, like their deeds and iman and everything, so what they have sent down, aydihim, their hands. So what their hands they have sent down forward, So just to looking that one, how is possible for them? So they will have the desire, they will have the wish to leave this world. So Allah said they will never walan yatamannahu abadan. So they will never have the wish for death bima qaddamat aydihim, because of their hands, what they sent forward. It means the deeds and iman, what type of their iman and bad deeds they have sent down forward. So how is possible they will have a desire to have a death? So, Wallahu alimun bizzalimin. Wallahu and Allah alimun, Allah all knows bizzalimin, these oppressors, these wrongdoers. Wala tajidannahum. Allah said, Wala tajidannahum, and surely you will find them. Ahrasa nasi. Ahrasa mean the most greedy. Nas mean from the people. If you look from the whole human beings or from the people of the world, you will find them more greedy, the most greediest person. So these are the Jews. They are the most greediest person. Allah hayat, for the life. Allah mean for hayat, life. So for life, they are the most greedy. They don't want to die. They want to live for the thousands and thousand years. Allah said, so they are more greedy than for the life. Minallazina ashraku. Wa and minallazina, and from those one also who are ashraku, who are the mushrik. And they are, because the mushrik people, they also have a desire to live in this world for long time. Mostly the Majus mean the fire worshippers. So those people, they were also mushrik, and it was the habit of those people when they were just to meet one another. So they were just to say, "Oh, you brother, live for 1,000 years." So they were just to give a special dua or special blessing to other person, that you may live for the 1,000 years. So this way Allah said that these people, the Jews, they are greedy of the life more than the mushrikeen. So this way Allah said, Yawaddu, they love, ahaduhum, one of them, every one of them from the Jews, they love, they love. Why they love? They love to stay in this world. They love your ammaru, that he could be granted a life. Love you ammar, so he must have the ammar mean the life. He must be granted the life. Alpha sana, alpha alpha mean 1,000, sana mean years. So they like to be granted 1,000 years. So every one of them, they want life to live up to 1,000 years. Vama, but not Hova. Hova mean so he mean like the Jews. Bimuzazihi, so will not remove him. So Allah said, they, even if they will stay in this world 1,000 years or more, so wama huwa bimuzazihi, and they will not be saved, and they will not remove minal azab, the azab mean the punishment what Allah has prepared for them, and they are not to remove that. You ammar, even if they can be granted the life up to 1,000 years. So you ammar mean if they are granted the lives up to 1,000 years, so they will not be saved from the punishment which Allah has prepared for them. Wallahu basirum bima ya'malun. Wallahu and Allah basirum. Allah is watching bima ya'malun, what they are doing. So what they are doing, Allah knows about that. So this way Allah said, وَمَا هُوَ بِمُزَحْزِحِهِ. So muzahzihi mean they will not remove minal azab, the punishment what Allah has made for them. Ayu Ammar, and even if they are granted the life what they desire, like up to that, if they are granted life so much, then they will not be saved. They will not be in a position to remove the punishment which has been prepared for them for at the day of judgment. Wallahu basirum bima ya'malun, and Allah is watching what they are doing. So this way, Abdullah bin Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhu, just having the tafsir of this ayat, he said this is invitation of mubahala. Mubahala mean when they call like the people and they say okay, because he said in Abdullah bin Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he said that in when this ayat came, these ayat came, then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he called he sent the message or oral message to the Jews that you come to us, and we Muslim, and you bring your all families, and we are here, and we will request Allah, the person who is not truthful, Allah give that one death, so that person should die. So this way, so those people, they Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, so he waited, but those people, the Jews, they never came. As the Allah said in second ayat that they will never come because they will never have the desire to die. So this way they never came. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said a hadith from Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said that if those people, even they are not to come, but if they have only the wish for death, so all of the Jews, they will finish, they will be destroyed, they will be killed, and even up to the day of judgment, you will not be in a position to see any Jew within the world any time after that these ayat, when Allah said you come and have a desire to die, have a wish to die. So if they were just to have only the wish, then they all of them they were to die, but they have not done this wish. So this way they never came to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam also, and they never done the wish to die. So this was the thing. In indirectly, if you look, because from their hearts they were confirming that the Holy Prophet ﷺ is the true Prophet of Allah, and the Holy Quran is the true book of Allah, and they were actually believing everything. So because they never came, so inside they were feeling that if they will go, they will die, finish, the life will finish, the destruction, totally, the whole situation, the whole like Jews will cut off. There will be no any Jew will stay on the surface of the earth. So this was the situation. This way, those people, they were just to keep the appearance before the people, just to keep their proudness, their identity as that, just because after changing the ayat and from the Torah about the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and about the qualities or the other things which were, the to believe the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So they have changed the ayat from their Torah, and also they were also having the jealousy that the why the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam never came from the Bani Israel, and why he was not to come from our tribes. So why this, and because they were also believing that the Arab tribes, they were poor and we are the rich people. So this way he was to come from our tribes because we are rich, we are so respectable like this. So, but Allah gave the respect to the people who accepted Islam, and so much respect they got, the world have seen it. And now it is the time to bring in ourselves that type of iman that was at the time of Prophet ﷺ. We have to try to request Allah for forgiveness and do tawbah and start a new life in which we can request Allah that we will do everything for you, to please Prophet ﷺ, to follow the Holy Quran and Sunnah. So, inshallah, everything will be fine. But if we people, we Muslim throughout the world, if we change ourselves to bring our mind towards completely Islam, so inshallah then is possibility that unity of the Muslims, they will may give the status of the great people in the world possible. The other lesson that we get from here, that is the desire of the death, the wish for death, we are not to have it, because the if someone is just afraid, or someone is not feeling good because of the problems of the life, and some people they try to do suicide, they are not to afford, they are not to face the problems of the life, they try to suicide, they want to die. In Islam it is totally haram, and Allah said that you must have a patience, and you must confirm yourself that what Allah is giving you, you must be satisfied. So this sustenance, the what Allah is giving you, rizq, everything, you must be satisfied with Allah, and just have tawakkal ala Allah. Tawakkal mean you depend on Allah fully, because this life is the short life, but the life hereafter, that is the life which will never finish. So this way we are not to have a desire of death. So this way it is very important message for us, and we know that we have to follow only what is in Holy Quran and Sunnah, and whatever the information we are getting from the Jews, from Bani Israel, so these are the guidance for us, because the Prophet ﷺ said all the things what the Bani Israel they have done, that will be done by my ummah. So this way Allah gave us the full information about the Bani Israel, what they have done. So we must be careful. We should not do that one. If something happen by someone, so don't feel anything. Direct contact Allah with astaghfar and tawbah, and revive yourself, and to be good Muslim again, and then never go back to any type of sinful thing. So Allah gave us tawfiq. Ameen.